Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to use if-else statement. In my previous video I have shown you guys how to create if statement, like how to create a code using if statement. Now we are going to see how to create a code using if-else statement. Now before we go and do this one, we have to know one thing, like if you want to use if-else statement, it has to have only two choices. For this one, like this is the code I created previously. This is about like entering a website. Like if the person has an age that is below 18, it's going to say nothing to see here, and if it's above 18, it's going to say you may enter this website. And also if it's male, it's going to call them dude, and if it's female, it's going to call them malady. Now let's run this one again and see how it works. So for example, let's say I'm 89-year-old, and if I type right here, it's going to ask what's your gender, male. Okay, and after you enter this one, it's going to say you may enter this website dude, because I'm a male, so it's going to call me dude. Okay, that's how this code works. Now here we are going to change this one, the same code, the same output, but we are going to use if-else statement to create the same output. Okay, now to create if-else statement, first we have to know that here, like this one, I already put an else, but before it was if age is less than 18, if age is less than 18, this one was before. Okay, so when I run this one, it gave me same thing. But when you use if-else statement, you have to, like, we know that age is above 18 or below 18, only two choices. So what we do, instead of this if statement, we put else. Okay, let me stop this one and edit. Okay, else. So here if I put else, because if it's going to say if the age is above 18, or like if age is above or equal to 18, you may enter this website. Else mean other choices below 18, so it means less than 18. So else mean it's automatically represents less than 18. So when I run this one, it's going to give me the same output as before. For example, let's try some 14-year-old. Okay, what is your gender? Let's say male. Nothing to see here. It works similar. And also if you look at the gender, there are only two possibilities. You can be a male or female. That's the one we gave. So what we can do, instead of if the gender is female, we put else here. If the gender is male, call them dude. Else we call them malady. So let's run this one. And let's say we have a 561-year-old woman here, and the gender is female. You may enter this website, malady. Okay, that's how if-else statement works. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see this code, if you want to try this code, this is in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can enter that and copy these codes. Okay, and also you can copy all my previous video codes from there. See you next time. Thanks for watching.